Hello everyone, welcome to YellowGreys. In this video, we are going to learn how to clear data table values. Already we have designed a data table. It has 3 rows and 3 columns. Go to Activity panel and search data table in the activity search bar. Drag and drop clear data table activity. Usually we use this activity to clear existing data that is available in the data table, right? In the data table field, add your data table name. Now add output data table activity to see the result. Call your data table variable and create a string variable to convert the data table. And now add a message box activity. Then call your string variable. Now everything is done. Go and run the process. The process started executing. Now look at the message box. There is nothing displayed because it's cleared all the existing data. I hope you are clear with clear data table activity. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and support. Connect with us for more tutorials.